Building core strength needs to be done progressively through a journey of slowly connected to our deeper abdominal muscles. Something like crunches to me only connect to the superficial layer and that's not deep core strength. I like to start with a forward folding position like that, bending and curling the spine, lengthen out the lower back, scoop the belly in and just ease out the tightness, especially in the lower part of our spine first. And when you're ready, you come lying down. Bend your knees, keep your legs together. Have both hands by the tops of the pelvis and try to equalize both sides. Make sure it is not rotated or tilted either way. Keeping both sides of the pelvis equal. Now slide your hands under your lower back. Make sure there is a little bit of space here. We don't want any flat back because we want to keep the spine neutral. When you're ready, bring your arms up and slowly curled up as your arms reach forward, looking between the knees. And slowly coming down, try to keep pace with your arms, not dropping your head too soon. As your arms come up, feel like something is gradually pulling your head, neck, shoulders up. And slowly, as you go down, the arms come down, almost together. Curled up and feel like you are reaching your fingers forward and slowly coming back down, but without dropping or releasing too much because we need to prepare to come up again. Keeping a little bit of tension in your body even as you curl down. It will help to keep the core connected. Do the same, but this time we're in a diagonal position. Keep your arms reaching the diagonal front side. So on the right side, feel like your fingers are reaching up just outside of the knee. Just be mindful that the body is not twisting to the side. You are placing the direction of the hands just outside the knee, so directly in a diagonal angle. Straighten both legs out here, keeping them flexed. Interlace the fingers behind the head and slowly curled up and bring one leg in 90 degrees, slowly coming back down. Try to see if you can pace both your legs and your upper body together so that they move more or less at the same time, not one after the other. Curled up, looking forward. And as you do that, feel like you're reaching the nose to the front ahead of you so that you curled up higher. And try to resist bringing your leg closer into you. We don't want to shorten the hip flexors. This time, curled up, bring the leg up and then lift the lower leg up. We're going to hold it there. The upper body is not curling down. Do this slowly. One leg reaches away and one leg coming towards you, but not. Again, keep the head, neck, shoulders curled up and feel like you are reaching ahead. See if you can prevent your belly from bulging here. As you change the leg, keep your pelvis stable. We're going to repeat one more set, doing the exact same thing. The straight leg down first. No change to the pace, it is deliberate. See if you can curl up a little bit higher. You can exhale as you curl up. It will help to engage the core more. Inhale as you curl back down. And exhale, curl back up again. Be mindful of your straight leg. Try to reach it away as much as possible. Have a feeling of the bent leg reaching towards you, but of course, the distance between your knee and your head doesn't change, which means you only try to curl up higher to reach towards the knee, but the knee doesn't come close to you, although we want to feel like it is coming close to you because we want the opposition between the straight leg and the bent leg. Bring one leg up, keeping it as straight as possible. Curl up, keeping your head, neck, shoulders up. And try not to move your upper body. And bring one leg up while the other presses down. It's a bit like scissors. Doing it with core and pelvic stability, keeping your belly scooped in. Coming back down, take a good rest here. Release your hands slowly. When you're ready, you come back up and just fold forward for a bit, relaxing your spine. And have your legs open up in diamond shape. You can hold your ankles or the middle of your shin is fine. Arching, looking up, and curling, looking down. Keep the heels pressing in, arching your spine, looking diagonal up, and curling, looking down. Mobilizing the spine here, relaxing the body, keeping the shoulders down, bend your elbows. so that you won't be pulling from the front of your shoulders. See if you can arch the spine a little bit more each time, elongating it more, opening the chest, and slowly curling down. You are relaxing the spine down but not collapsing. This is all I have for today's video. Build core strength slowly, because this is how it's to be done if we want to connect to our core deeply. Thank you so much for moving with me. Keep moving, keep getting better. The body loves it when we move. We are born to move. And if you like my content, do like, share, subscribe. I'll appreciate that very much. See you next time.